There's a whole bunch. Oh, there's a whole bunch.
You gonna catch some bubbles, Stoney? Yeah.
Oh, special for you. Just think, these bubbles have been around for more than 30 years. Okay. Grandma's got to get it back on good. Yeah, if you can take Grandma's camera, that's okay.
She'll throw it on the ground, though.
Man, these are hard to get back on. There we go.
Thank you.
Still stuck in D.C. That means there's weather between here and D.C. or the weather in New York. Oh, maybe because the ceiling's so low they can't see. Here you go. You can have them now. Now wipe them off. You can have them. They're no good if they're closed up. They were showing that storm coming in up the East Coast.
Could be something else. He's just blaming it on the thing, but you'd be surprised.